Hi, it's Wendy. Welcome back to the channel, and if it's your first time here, welcome, I'm glad you found me. I'm going to show you today how to do this double wraparound stitch. This is a stitch that I modified from a book, and it didn't have a name in the books. If you know of a different name for this stitch, leave me a comment and let me know what you think it's called. To make the double wraparound stitch, you'll need to start with a chain in a multiple of 3 plus 1. So I'm starting with a chain of 28, which is a multiple of 3, 27, plus 1 more stitch. If you're starting with a foundation row like I have on this vest, where I did a row of double crochets to begin, you'll need a foundation row of a multiple of 3 plus 2. So if you're starting with the foundation row, chain 3 and put 2 double crochets in the second stitch. But if you're starting with a chain like this, put 2 double crochets in the fourth chain from the hook. So I'm going to count down 4 V's and put 2 double crochets there. Then skip 2 chains, and in the next one work 3 double crochets. Skip 2 chains again, work 3 double crochets, and repeat that sequence down the chain. At the end of the chain, work just 2 double crochets in the last stitch. Like so. Now chain 3 and turn. Row 2, work a double crochet in the second stitch, which is the second one in this V that I have here, and another one in the next stitch. So a double crochet in the second and third stitches. Then to do the wraparound, we're going to do a half double crochet around the post of those 2 stitches. Pick it up, back to the front, pull a loop through all 3, then chain 1. Now skip the next stitch and work a double crochet in the next 2, which will be the last and the first double crochet in those 2 groups. Work a wraparound, so yarn over, around the post of those 2 stitches, grab the yarn and bring it back, pick up a loop and pull through all 3 like a half double crochet. So that makes this wrap around those 2 stitches. So you've got 2 double crochets and then a wraparound, which is why it's called the double wraparound. Skip 1, double, double, wrap around with your half double, there we go, chain 1, skip 1, double, double, wrap around with the half double, chain 1, and continue in that manner down the row. At the end of the row, when you get to the last couple of stitches, just put 1 double crochet in the top of your turning chain. Now we're going to do another row of groups of 3 double crochets. Chain 3 and turn. Work 2 double crochets in that first chain 1 space. Work 3 double crochets in the next and the following chain 1 spaces. So 3 double crochets in each of those spaces all the way down the row. After the last wraparound stitch, work 2 double crochets in the third chain of that turning chain. Okay, so it's going to look like that. A chain 3 at the beginning with 2 double crochets beside it, 3 double crochets in each of the spaces, and 2 in the top of the turning chain. Now we're going to do another wraparound row. This will be row 4, chain 3 and turn. And just like this row down here, work a double crochet in the second and third stitches. Then do a wraparound stitch, a half double crochet around the post of those 2 stitches, and chain 1. Skip 1, work 2 double crochets, wrap around with your half double, chain 1, skip 1, double, double, wrap around, and chain 1. Just repeat those last 2 rows, row 3 and 4, over and over until your piece is as long as you would like it to be, and you get this beautiful lacy texture. I hope that you've enjoyed this stitch and you'll try it for yourself. Drop me a comment and let me know what you think, and hit the like and subscribe button if you'd like to see more of these tutorial videos. It really helps YouTube to know that you would like to see this kind of work and encourages me to keep going and making these videos. Until the next one, thanks for joining me and have a super day.